Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new challenge from the Flipkart company, that is Flipkart Grid 3.0. Okay, so we will check the details we will check the description in detail. So Flipkart Grid, the registrations are already started and you can check here till now 18,673 registrations are done. Okay, so it is started from 21st of June 2021 and till it will be 15th December 2021. Okay, so let's see what Flipkart Grid 3.0 is all about. Okay, so Grid is Flipkart flagship engineering campus challenge which provides you an excellent opportunity to apply your technical knowledge and skills to compete and complete key challenges. In its third edition, Flipkart Grid becomes bigger and better, bringing live problem statements from the world of e-commerce to the brightest mind of India and lets you put your capabilities to the ultimate test. So, are you ready to enter this grid? So, there will be three stages, three track, software development track, information security track, and robotics track. Okay, so each track will have multiple elimination rounds to test you on your technical, analytical, and ideation skills before the grand finale, where the finalists will get to present their solution to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart. Eligibility criteria: this competition is open to students pursuing BTech, ME, MTech programs across all engineering colleges in India, batch 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. Okay, so those candidates who will pass out in these 4 years, that is 2022, 23, 24 and 25, those candidates can apply for this challenge. This competition is open for BTech, ME, MTech candidates across all engineering colleges in India. Note, one team or student can choose only one of the three tracks. The batch of 2021 is not eligible to participate in this competition. Okay, so batch 2021 is not allowed to participate in this competition. Okay, so what's stake or rewards and prizes? There are attractive prizes. A prize pool of 6 lakh is to be won. Top teams from each track will get a grid goodies, PPI opportunities, that is free placement offer. That means the permanent position they will provide you. Then tech internship and a chance to appear for Flipkart hiring process to all top performing students. Okay, then certificate of merit to the top performing teams in each track. Okay, so as I already told you that there will be three tracks. uh, that is totally depend on you, that you are choosing which track. You are choosing software development, or you are choosing information security, or you are choosing robotics. As per your interest you can choose any track. There is no any restriction on that. Okay, so you can check here, these three tracks are there. I have already opened here the software development challenge here, then information security challenge I have opened here, and this is robotics. So we will check from the software development challenge. Okay, as I already told you that there is a chance to win 6 lakh as a cash prize, as well as they will provide you the PPI and internship opportunities and full-time roles at the Flipkart. Okay, so this is a best and exciting opportunity. uh, okay, so to all the candidates who are passing out in 2022, 23 and 24 and 25. Okay, so registration deadline is 8 July. Till 8 July 2021 you can apply. Okay, then you can check here, engineering student, postgraduate, undergraduate candidates can apply. So what will be the stages and timelines? Level 1 will be e-commerce and tech quiz. There will be a quiz. Every team will get a set of questions to be answered within 30 minutes. It will be based on e-commerce trivia. Refer this site, https. I will provide this site in the description box below as well. Okay, so it will be based on this, and tech, that is technology awareness plus tech stack and computer science fundamentals. Okay, that test will be on 10 July 2021. On that day there will be a quiz. Okay, so after that, level 2 is online problem statement idea brief submission. So qualifying teams from level 1 will be given a problem statement according to that domain area of interest selected after level 1. They will be able to make submissions until the deadline for this round anytime during the challenge window, and that level 2 will be conducted on 12 July to 20 July. Okay, so level 3 online functional proof of concept demo video with code submission. Qualifying team from level 2 will work on the idea submission and will develop a proof of concept demo video and code submission as well. It will be deadline is it will be conducted on 28th July till 11th of August. And level 4 will be the national finale. In the finale level of the grid, finalists will be invited to showcase their solution to the panel of domain expert at Flipkart, and it will be done on from 3 September on the 3rd of September only. Okay, so all you need to know about the Flipkart Grid 3.0 software challenge. Okay, so eligibility criteria is this competition is open to students pursuing BE Tech, ME, Tech, all across all engineering colleges in India. As I already told, student must register in a team of 2 to 3 members. The batch of 2021 is not eligible. The participating students can be from any specialization. Your branch doesn't matter if you are from electrical or mechanical, still also you can apply. They should be full-time students from the same engineering college. One person cannot be a member of more than one team. Any deviation from the above will result in immediate disqualification of the entire team. Stages, as we already discussed, the software development track will have 3 elimination rounds to test you on your technical, analytical and ideation skills before the grand finale, where the finalists will get to present their solution to the panel of the domain experts at Flipkart. Okay, so problem overview. The software development track will allow you to choose 2 preferences out of the 4 problem statement after level 1. The problem statement will be allotted based on the level 1 performance and the problem statements preference shared. Okay, so problem statement: smart bag creator challenge, conversational credit application, interactive voice board for user engagement, trust and affluence signal extraction from social media data. Okay, so level 1 and level 2 and level 3 and level 4, they have mentioned some instruction point here. All registered teams will have to take an online machine learning quiz. Only the team leader will give the quiz. Every team will get a set of questions to be answered within 30 minutes. All team will be taking this quiz simultaneously during the quiz window. Every team will be ranked on accuracy, that is score, and the speed, that is finish time. This will matter more. If you solve as much as answer in less time but answers are correct, that will be considered. Okay, so there will be a good chances to select for the level 2. This means that if 2 teams have same score, then the team that finished earlier will be ranked higher. Then results for this level will be declared within 48 hours of the quiz window, and participant team will move on to the next level based on their performance in this first assessment. It will be based on e-commerce trivia that website they have shared. Okay, so online problem statement idea brief submission. Shortlisted team from the level 1 will have to participate in an online idea brief submission challenge. You will be given a problem statement according to the domain and area of interest selected after level 1. Then the teams will have access to only one problem statement that has been allocated to them. You will be able to make submission until the deadline for this round any time during the challenge window, and participant team in this level we will move on to the next level based on their performance. Okay, so that is about the level 2, and level 3 is online functional proof of concept demo video with code submission. Shortlisted teams from the level 2 will have to participate in an online functional proof of concept demo video with code submission challenge. Teams will have to work on their idea submission and take it to level where they will be able to give a video demo and submit the code. Okay, in short, third level is video demo and you need to submit the code. Okay, participating teams in this level will move on to the next level, the grand finale, based on their performance. Okay, disclaimer: any sample data shared for the purpose of grid 3.0 should be not used or reproduced for any other purpose. And level 4 will be the national finale. In the finale level of the grid, finalists will be invited to showcase their solution to the panel of domain expert at Flipkart. Okay, so what are the important deadlines, dates? 8 July to 8 July is the last date to register for the Flipkart Grid 3.0. Okay, on 6 July the kickoff event by Flipkart leaders. Then 10 July level 1 e-commerce and tech quiz. Then 20 July there will be level 2. Till 20 July there will be level 2, and 11th of August level 3 concept demo video with code submission, and on 3rd September there will be national finale. Suppose if you face any technical issue, then please mention your problem with error screenshot on this mail ID if you face. Okay, so download attachment, you can download the problem statement from here as well. Okay, so what stake or reward prizes? Winner 1.5 lakh, first runner up 75,000, finalist PPI with CTC 26 LPA and internship stipend with INR 50,000. Okay, round 3 teams to get a chance to appear for Flipkart hiring process. Top 50 teams round 1 quiz. Top 50 teams round 1 quiz will get the grid goodies. Finalist will get certificate of merit. Round 2 qualifying teams certificate of merit. Round 3 qualifying teams will get certificate of merit. Top 10% teams round 1 certificate of merit and participation certificate. All candidates will get participation certificate. Okay, so about Flipkart they have mentioned. Okay, so this is the first track, that is software development challenge. Okay, so we will check the information security challenge. Okay, so every team will get a set of questions to be answered within 30 minutes. That is the same. First level 1 is same for 3 challenges. Okay, so sorry, for the first 2 challenges, and in the robotics challenge level 1 will be the all teams need to start building a boat as per the problem statement according to the deliverables mentioned. Okay, so before that we will check information security challenge in the detail. There will be also there will be total level 3. Level 1 is e-commerce and tech quiz. There will be questions that you need to solve within 30 minutes. It will be conducted on 10th of July. You can prefer this website. Then level 2 will be submission of proof of concept with demo video. Qualifying teams from level 1 will be given a problem statement according to the domain area of interest selected after level 1. They will work on the idea submission and will develop a proof of concept demo video and code submission as well. It will be conducted from 12 July to 20 July. Level 3, the national finale. In the finale level of the grid, finalists will be invited to showcase their solutions to the panel of domain expert at Flipkart, and it will be conducted on 31st August. Okay, so same criteria as software development challenge. Okay, so here also 2021 batch is not allowed to participate, as they have mentioned here. Problem statements you can check here: asset discovery tool, protectors of PII, and containerization of resources. Okay, so level 1 instruction, level 2 instruction, and level 3 instruction they have mentioned here. Okay, so important date and deadline same. On 8 July, registration deadline 8 July. Kickoff event by Flipkart leaders is 6th July. 10th of July there will be quiz. On from 20 July till 20 July there will be level 2, that is code submission and demo video, and on 3rd September there will be national finale. Okay, here from here also you can download the problem statements. Then rewards and prizes, as we discussed in the same as in the software development challenge. All participant will get participation certificate, and who will be the top winners, those candidates will win these cash prize. Okay, so that is a very good and a nice opportunity for all the candidates. Third challenge is robotics challenge. Okay, so level 1 is the elimination round. Level 1 is elimination round, and all teams need to start building the boat as per the problem statement according to the deliverables mentioned. The problem statement can be downloaded from the attachment section. You can download from here. Once you scroll down, then you can download from here the problem statement. They will be able to make submission until the deadline for this round anytime during the challenge window. Level 2 is also elimination round. Qualifying teams from level 1 will work on their robots and will improvise their uninterrupted videos as per the deliverables mentioned in the problem statement. The problem statement can be downloaded from the attachment section, as I told you earlier. They will be able to make submissions until the deadline for this round anytime during the challenge window. Level 3 is the national finale. In the finale level of grade, the finalists will be invited to showcase their solution to the panel of domain expert at Flipkart. Okay, so the same eligibility criteria is also same. BE BTech ME MTech from 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 pass out batch candidates can apply. Okay, so competition structure. The first FAQ session will be on 15th of July for all the registered participants. The second FAQ session will be on 1st August for all the registered participants. On 22nd of September, after level 1, there will be a feedback session. Session 1, 5 minutes 1-to-1 for all qualifying teams. On 1st of December 2021, after level 2, there will be a feedback session 2, 15 minutes 1-to-1 for all qualifying teams. Okay, so again they have mentioned the instructions: level 1, level 2, level 3. The problems for the level 1, the problem statement can be downloaded from the attachment section. Based on round 1 specification, you will have to start building the boat. Judging criteria will be given in the problem statement for the same. Participating teams clearing these criteria will move on to the next level. Level 2 is elimination. This is also elimination round. The problem statement can be downloaded from the attachment section. Based on the round 2 specification, you will have to improvise the boat. Judging criteria will be given in the problem statement for the same, and participating teams in this level will move on to the next level based on their performance. And grand finale, there will be a grand finale, but in that finalists will be invited to showcase their solution to the panel of domain expert at Flipkart. The finale will be conducted live, either on Zoom call or in person, depending on the COVID situation at that point. Okay, so deadlines are same. Till 8 July you can do the registration. FAQ session 1 will be conducted on 15th of July. FAQ session 2 will be conducted on 1st of July. Level 1 submission deadline is 15th September. Then feedback section session 1, that is conducted on 22nd of September. Then on 15th November, level 2 submission deadline. 1st December, that is feedback session 2, and level 4, that is the national finale, it will be on 15th of December. Okay, so the rewards and prizes are same. Okay, as per the other two challenges. Okay, so dear batch 2022, 23, 24 and 25, this is an exciting and big opportunity which the Flipkart is providing you So please guys, you will get this link in the description box below. In which track you are interested, please register for that track respective. Suppose if you are interested for the software development track, then go on this link and register for this track. Okay, so don't miss this chance guys, it's an excellent opportunity. So please share this with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this Flipkart Grid 3.0 challenge. So thanks for watching this video and apply now.